If you're investing on the Emerald Coast, numbers matter. But which numbers should you trust? Today, we'll break down two critical metrics, cap rate and cash flow, so you can invest with clarity, confidence, and real momentum. First, cap rate, short for capitalization rate. This is how investors estimate what a property could return before financing or taxes. Cap rate is calculated by dividing net operating income, NOI, by the current market value of the property. For example, imagine a beachfront apartment building in Fort Walton Beach generating $100,000 in net income annually. If the market value is $1.25 million, you'd have an 8% cap rate. Not bad, but what does that really tell you? Cash flow is the bottom line, what you actually get after all costs are paid. That includes operating expenses like insurance, repairs, property management, taxes, and if you finance the purchase, your mortgage payments too. This shows how much real income your investment produces. So what's different? Cap rate gives you a relative value, how one property stacks up against another. But cash flow tells you what you'll earn. Cap rate ignores your debt and financing. Cash flow includes it. Cap rate is based on market value. Cash flow is based on real income minus real costs. In Fort Walton Beach and across the Emerald Coast, market conditions are changing fast. Prices are rising. Interest rates are shifting. Demand for vacation rentals fluctuates seasonally. That means relying on just one metric can mislead you. To make smart investment decisions, you don't pick between cap rate, cash flow, or return on cost. You use them together. Return on cost is especially helpful if you're doing improvements or value adds. It looks at what you paid plus what you spend, rather than just current market value. If you want to build lasting wealth on the Emerald Coast, numbers aren't just data, they're your guide. Cap rate helps you understand market value. Cash flow shows your actual return. And together, they let you see both value and stability. At All American Realty, we help investors just like you turn complex financials into clear decisions. Let's work together so your next property isn't just another deal. It's the right deal.